Superior heat-resilient features for physiological, biochemical, behavioral, molecular, neuroendocrine and epigenetic adaptation in Tharparkar cattle. Climate change is making heat stress a major problem for dairy cows, especially in hot countries like India. Keeping cows comfortable in their shelters, with good airflow, the right temperature, and low humidity, is key to their health and milk production. When cows get too hot, measured by the temperature-humidity index, or T, they eat less, produce less milk, and can even get sick. Some breeds handle heat better than others. For example, native Indian breeds like Tharparkar cows are more heat-resistant than crossbred cows, like Karan Fries, because they produce less body heat and methane, making them better suited for hot climates. Tharparkar cows also have special proteins called heat shock proteins, HSPs, that help them cope with high temperatures. However, even though they handle heat well, Tharparkar cows don't produce as much milk as other breeds. This creates a challenge, balancing heat tolerance with high milk production, as farmers try to keep cows healthy while meeting food demands in a warming world. Finding ways to improve cow comfort and breed selection will be crucial for the future of dairy farming in hot climates. Introduction. 2024 has been recorded as the hottest year yet, with temperatures 1.55 degrees Celsius higher than pre-industrial levels, worsening climate risks, especially for livestock farming. India is among the most vulnerable countries, ranking 7th in climate risk, with extreme heat, droughts, and floods threatening both people and animals. While countries like the US and Japan are better prepared, India struggles with adaptation, putting its dairy industry, which contributes 25% of agricultural GDP, at risk. Despite being the world's top milk producer, heat stress is reducing milk yields, fertility, and livestock health, particularly in tropical regions where temperatures can reach 44 degrees Celsius. Indigenous cattle like the Tharparkar breed survive better in extreme heat, 0 degrees C 50 degrees C, compared to crossbred cows, thanks to natural adaptations like heat shock proteins, HSPs, that protect cells from stress. These proteins help maintain bodily functions under high temperatures, while crossbred cattle suffer more from heat-related drops in productivity. Tharparkar cows also produce less methane and handle feed shortages better, making them crucial for arid regions. However, they still produce less milk than high-yielding crossbreeds, creating a challenge for farmers balancing heat resilience and productivity. Research is uncovering how Tharparkar cattle's genes and cellular mechanisms, like the EIF2 pathway, help them tolerate heat, offering clues for breeding more climate-resistant livestock. With global warming intensifying, understanding these traits is key to safeguarding India's dairy sector, ensuring food security for millions while coping with a hotter, harsher climate. Solutions like better shelter, heat-tolerant breeds, and stress management strategies will be vital for the future of sustainable farming. Conclusion. To protect indigenous cattle breeds like Tharparkar and ensure sustainable milk production, farmers must manage heat stress effectively. Cattle perform best in comfortable temperatures, so providing shade, cooling systems like fans and water misters, and fresh drinking water is crucial during hot weather. Feeding high-quality, nutrient-rich meals in smaller portions during cooler times of the day also helps maintain health and milk yield. Indigenous breeds like Tharparkar naturally handle heat better than crossbred cows, making them vital for dairy farming in hot climates. However, their populations are declining due to shrinking grazing lands, climate change, and competition with high-yielding breeds. Protecting these breeds through genetic conservation and sustainable farming practices is key to future food security. Farmers should adopt mixed crop livestock systems and focus on raising resilient indigenous cattle suited to their local environment. Research is needed to understand how these breeds adapt to heat, maintain genetic diversity, and improve productivity without losing their climate resilience. By working together, farmers, scientists, and policymakers, we can ensure sustainable livestock farming that withstands rising temperatures while meeting India's growing dairy demands. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.